Hey everyone, Frank and Carrie inside a nice cold Mooreland house.
Yes, he is.
We're a DIY couple that bought a foreclosed old mansion that we're trying to save. It was in pretty bad shape.
Yes,
We've been working on it and making it a lot better. This week's video will do what?
We are working back in that area by the kitchen, the powder room, the outside of that. We are doing a lot of grading and doing a lot of dirt work. And as Frank says in the video, dirt work is dirty work.
Yeah, and I probably graded an F.
Yeah, I think that F or a D.
But don't look at what's behind us. That's a future video. A lot of people made comments about we need to fix the roof and stuff in last week's video. And possibly some of the stuff behind us involves taking out a beam and replacing a beam and shoring up and all that kind of stuff. But we're not going to talk about that yet.
No. But I will include an aerial shot of the back area where we're working so that you have an idea. It's on the north side of the house, so it's not a shot that we normally show. So I'll put an aerial view of that.
But it'll dry out the house.
Yes, it will, and that will be very helpful for Miss Mooreland.
Welcome, and thanks for watching.
Have a good day.
Okay, well, we have the scaffolding down in this little area where we just worked on. And we're going to clean it up and see if we can't get a lot of these stumps out. There's one there. There's one back there. So we're going to get busy and clean this area up.
Well, we're going to see if Bertha can pull that stump. It's a pretty big one, but it's in a kind of a strange place, so she might be able to do it. Nope. We broke our chain.
Rip the hook right off. Oh, wow. Not the chain, the hook. Wow.
Yeah, it's just pot metal.
But
Not the first thing we broke.
no, it's not. So what do you need to do now?
I just gotta get back here with the stump grinder. This is really wet back here.
Oh, yeah, it is. And what is that
I don't know.
right there?
We might bring the...
I know that piece was underneath.
Yeah, that's the foot to the...
Yeah, there's the other one. I didn't see those.
I didn't think about it until I was messing with it.
But there's termites
Found the
in
termites.
there. Yeah, look at that.
They're helping.
They're doing their job. That's what they're for. At least it's outside.
Is that a black walnut?
I'm not sure what
I
that
think
was. Probably.
black walnut.
Probably. Did you find a friend? That is a freaky spider.
Big enough.
Yeah, it is. Ugh. Not much of that stump left. That's great. We used the blade on the back of the tractor to pull a lot of the debris out, and we've been picking it up with the tractor and hauling it off. So does a good job. Feel like you've wrestled a bear?
Yep.
That's gone. That's good. All gone. Good enough for now, anyway, I guess. Okay, let me go get the rest of that with the tractor. Okay. We've been using the tractor to get a lot of the debris out, but we're also using the grater blade, and we're trying to slope it away from the house. We still have some work to do, but it sure is going to make a difference with us fixing that gutter bypass up there, and that will help keep the water out of those bricks, which in turn will help the inside of this not be a waterfall wall. So this is going to dry out. We've got that gutter system up there, and we'll put something on there to also take the water that way. But we're getting there. We're getting there. We are back here in this little area, and we're trying to grade it away from the house. We gave it a D, and they had put some extra stuff right there, but we're removing that because it obviously isn't working. But we do know that this is as deep as we need it to get it to have that grade away from the house. Frank's been clearing this area.
We found all our termites.
Oh, wow.
We set this wood there, but I don't think it's going to get anymore.
Nope. Wow.
But we're going to get rid of a whole bunch of termites.
Oh my.
And the thing is, they can't really dig, so they're going to die.
Oh.
There's one or two in there.
Yep. They're in a hurry to get out of the sun. It'll kill them in a heartbeat.
Yep, they're very fragile things.
Yes, they are. Oh. We have continued on cleaning this area up, getting all the poke weeds out of the way, getting tree roots taken care of in that corner and over here, and trying to level it up a little bit.
We're not trying to level it.
Well, no, we're trying to grade it.
Trying to get a slope 10 feet away from the foundation.
Right. Trying to help it.
Not fill up with water.
Exactly. And we did save a bunny. We found a bunny. So the bunny's just gonna hang out right there.
The reason this is being done right now is we cleaned up the lath and plaster in the basement and found out how much water was getting in the basement.
Mm-hmm.
So we're all about trying to get water out of the house.
So we're doing gutter bypasses. So she'll lose some water weight there. And then if we can get this
water,
shedding the correct way,
then it shouldn't enter the basement.
it shouldn't. And no more waterfall walls. That was something. So,
But a lot of it, they did some stuff here. I mean, this is some old gutter downspout things to try to get the water away, but it was coming into the gutters and into the brick and
mm-hmm. Now we are still going to put something at the bottom of that there.
Better, but I want to make sure that's done first.
Right. Now they did on the windows, we did notice that on the windows they came around and poured, they raised them up. They put concrete there to help with the water situation. So,
but that's not the right way to do it.
no.
I think that traps water behind there.
Yeah.
Water wasn't coming in over the windowsill. It was coming in underneath the windowsills.
Well, well, Frank, how's it going back here?
We're doing a lot of dirt work.
Yeah, we are.
Dirt work's dirty.
Yes, it is.
I guess that's how it's implied. Got a nice little fire going. That way we can stay warm on this August sunny day. But this yard was not sloped away from the house. Over the years, I'm sure it probably was when they first, because this gravel's added.
Right.
So it probably was sloped away at one time, but as people added stuff over the years,
Right.
maybe a garden, maybe something. So to keep the water from coming down and going back into the house, we're gonna do like the internet says, all the YouTube videos. And we're sloping it away from the house for 10 feet.
10 feet.
So that's already sloped.
Okay.
Now that is sloped 10 feet.
The
See
board.
how deep it is? That's how sloped it was toward the house. And this is after I've taken quite a bit of material out of
Yeah.
there. But yeah, this is not very glamorous work.
No, it
But-
is not.
It's after we cleaned up the lath and plaster in the basement, we realized how bad a shape, how much water was getting in through the basement.
Right.
Just remember, I'm not a landscaper. I'm a pilot. So, I don't know how you can do it wrong, but there's probably ways I could do it wrong. I'm sloping it away 10 feet out and getting the water moving via gravity away from the house instead of toward the house.
Yeah. We got this trench dug, and Frank did 9 inches down from the string to the bottom, and that's how much we have to slope it, grade it. Supervising our work over here. Kitten, is he doing okay? Is he doing a good job? Is he doing a good job? Making some progress. He's loosening all that top stuff up, getting a lot of the roots out, stones out, pipes out, wires out. So we're making progress. Okay, we've got this side a nice slope, nice grade away from the foundation. So this side is...
So we only had to go down about a foot.
Yeah.
I mean, it's sloped. It was sloped this way a little bit.
Yeah.
But it was also sloped this way.
Yeah. That's gonna make... We quit that stump.
You see the bunny?
Yeah. There's the bunny. When
The
Frank...
bunny's supervising.
Yeah.
The bunny was in the dirt.
The bunny was in the dirt, and the first time he kept pointing to it, I kept looking on the ground, looking for a bunny. So it's supervising. Meanie, are you cold? You seem to be cuddling awfully close to the heater. Are you cold, meanie? My sweet girl. Oh my goodness. Apparently Minnie is cold because she's all cuddled up to my heater. You silly girl. I get it, you're cold.